Hi everyone, I'm Carly and this is my channel Sewscape. Today I have a video showing you guys everything that I made this spring. So everything I made was made from the Burda Style Magazine. So let's get into it. So we'll start off with Burda April 2022. This is top 118A. I love the shape of these sleeves. I made a size 40. I get a ton of wear out of this. I love the little slits up the sides. I love it tucked in, untucked, buttoned, and unbuttoned. This is definitely going to be a spring, summer, and fall staple item in my wardrobe. Next is trousers 111. I have got a ton of wear out of these too. I made a size 40 and then graded out to a 44 at the hips. I find they're super flattering. Gen Z doesn't say anything bad about skinny jeans when I'm wearing these. I wear them to work and on days off, and they have lovely pockets. I omitted the welt pockets on the back and just had the pockets on the front instead. The instructions confused me, so I left it out. Next is probably my biggest sewing fail of the whole season. This is Pinafore 105. I made a size 40 and it's just too tight across the hip area. I should have graded out to a 44. I haven't even worn this out of the house yet. Next is Jacket 101. This is my favorite project that I've made all season. I scored this amazing fabric super cheap at Fabricland when it was on 50% off. I was able to make a matching one for my son. The only problem is when I was cutting it, I lost the yoke piece. So I didn't cut it out in the initial cutout session. So I had to kind of fix the pattern so I could fit in that yoke. So I had to add an extra seam, but it's details. We love it. Add something different. So that's that seam there. I just cut it along the grain line. And now we're moving on to the May issue. This is dress 115. It's the corset dress. It has lovely boning in the bodice. I love this. This makes me feel amazing. I cut the cups a little bit funny. I warped them when I was sewing them, so it gets a little pointy, but never mind, it's fine. I still wear it, still love it. It's great for a hot summer day or for a hot date. I love these pockets. They are so lovely for carrying my keys, carrying my phone when I'm out and about. It is so lovely and it passes the twirl test. Next is dress 101. This is definitely the best fitting bodice I have ever made. This color is fantastic. I love it. It's this dusty lavender lilac-y color. I made this from a thrifted bed sheet and used thrifted buttons from my collection. It is so swishy and great. I wear this to work all the time. It's constantly in the wash. And guess what? It has pockets. So useful and so great as a mom on the go. And twirl test, not great, but that's okay. Next is top 103. When I traced this pattern, I didn't take some seam allowance out of the sleeve bands, so I should have taken some out of that, but it ended up okay.
I'm trying to make you have a golden hour.
He's so funny. Oh my goodness, I love him so much. Next are shorts 114. I made a size 40 grading up to a 44 at the hips. The fabric here is a little bit too lightweight for such a tight fitting pair of shorts, but that's okay. They're great for the beach, going to the park. I wish they had pockets on the back. That's the only thing I would change. And this little button is so cute. It comes from my thrifted button collection. Love the little nautical anchor. I didn't add the cuffs, but might go back and add them one day. I cut them out, but I really just needed shorts to wear one day. And now we're moving on to the June 2022 issue. This dress gives me life. It gives me main character energy. I love everything about it. This is dress 109. It is gorgeous and swishy. I made it from a thrifted satin, and I get a ton out of wear of this dress. The neckline is gorgeous, stunning. Can't say anything bad about it. I love, love, love it. Next is jumpsuit 107. This is made from a cotton elastane blend and was a little bit of a sewing fail for me. I had a hard time seam ripping my mistakes and had to fill in all the little mini holes in the fabric with interfacing. Makes me feel a little self-conscious about my tummy and my butt, but that's okay. Confidence is key. We wear it, we rock it, and that is that. I might make it again in something that doesn't have so many stripes. And then we have this top 121. Love the asymmetrical look. It is so cute, and I find work appropriate or home appropriate, great for going to the park or the beach with my kids or to work. I don't think it's too revealing. I think it's very on trend, and oh, there's my little cat. I almost always wear this tucked in, but if it's untucked, it hits my high hip, which is a great place to land, but not my style. Lastly is dress 110. I made this from a rayon that I got at Fabricland. I don't know if it's my color, but it feels great against the skin. The neckline is gorgeous. I love this boat neckline. The belt on it gets a little bit lost in this crazy pattern, so I normally wear it with a contrasting belt, just a black belt. The waist is a bit low on me, but that's okay. As long as I tie it up, it looks fine. And yeah, definitely passes the twirl test. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you could like, comment, and subscribe, that would make a huge difference to me. I hope you guys have the most wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.